Hello, ma'am. Hi, how are you? To start with, I just love your voice. I love the way you have conducted our entire course. And to be honest, even I happen to have a base of mine from Delhi. So I had really this misconception about Delhi people, especially female, especially when it comes to their education. But definitely you have broken my misconception. As for the academic part, I just loved what you taught us in a very gracious manner, in a manner which landed us very nicely and which is going to be with us for a long time, I'm sure. And I just enjoyed it completely. Even when on last Friday you announced that coming Friday is going to be the last day of our academic, I was not happy about it. I'm really going to miss you. Our classes, weekly classes, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And I just want to say you, though it was for a short time, you're always going to hold a special place in my heart. Thank you, ma'am. Love you. And God bless you a lot. Thank you. Ciao.